The secret to staying healthy in 2025. Welcome to our video, where we'll dive into the secret to staying healthy in 2025. Staying healthy is not just about surviving, it's about thriving in a world that is constantly changing. In this video, we'll reveal actionable tips and modern strategies to help you lead a healthier, more balanced life. By focusing on three key pillars, nutrition, movement, and mindfulness, you'll learn how to take charge of your physical and mental well-being in 2025. Let's explore the small, meaningful steps you can take to create powerful, lasting changes in your life. Remember, staying healthy doesn't need to be complicated or overwhelming. It's about building simple, sustainable habits that work for you. First, let's talk about nutrition, which remains the foundation of good health. In 2025, nutrition evolves beyond just eating healthy. It's about creating a diet that works for your individual body and lifestyle. Here's how we can do that. Start by choosing whole foods over processed options. Whole foods, such as fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, provide the essential nutrients your body needs to function efficiently. Processed foods, on the other hand, often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can negatively impact your health over time. Incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet is another key step. You don't have to go fully vegan, but adding more vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds to your plate reduces your risk of chronic diseases and improves digestion. It's also a more sustainable choice for the environment, a win-win for your health and the planet. Another underestimated health hack is focusing on proper hydration. Are you drinking enough water every day? Staying hydrated improves energy levels, boosts skin health, supports digestion, and helps your body detox naturally. Start your day with a glass of water and carry a refillable bottle to stay on track. In 2025, we're also seeing advancements in personalized nutrition, aided by cutting-edge technology. Apps and devices now utilize genetic testing and health tracking to create customized diet plans, identifying precisely which foods work best for your body. These tech tools provide us with detailed insights that were once unavailable, giving you the power to optimize your nutrition like never before. Finally, let's talk practical tips. Meal prepping and portion control can simplify your eating habits. Prepping meals in advance ensures you have healthy, balanced options ready on busy days, preventing the temptation of fast food. Small, consistent efforts lead to big, sustainable changes. Next up, let's explore the importance of movement in sustaining health. Remember, it's not just about hardcore workouts, it's about moving your body consistently throughout the day. One of the simplest ways to stay active is by incorporating daily movement, small steps that keep your body energized. Activities like walking, gardening, or even stretching at your desk contribute immensely to your overall health. The goal is to reduce sedentary time because even short bursts of activity add up and make a difference. For those who prefer structured exercise, find a fitness routine that you genuinely enjoy. It could be yoga, swimming, running, or even a dance class. When you pick something you love, you're more likely to stick with it. Also, variety is key. Switch up your workouts to keep your body and mind engaged while preventing injuries. We can't talk about movement in 2025 without mentioning wearable fitness tech. Devices like smartwatches and fitness bands have become trusted companions for millions. These gadgets now monitor not only your steps, but also your heart rate, sleep quality, and even stress levels. The data can motivate you to move more, set realistic fitness goals, and track your progress over time. For those just starting, low-impact activities are an excellent option. Exercises like yoga and swimming are gentle on the joints while offering incredible benefits for both the body and mind. These activities promote flexibility, balance, and mental clarity, making them perfect for anyone easing into a more active lifestyle. Even on your busiest days, make time for movement. Whether it's a 10-minute walk or a quick workout using online videos, remember that staying active should be enjoyable, not stressful. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, let's focus on mindfulness. A healthy body starts with a healthy mind, and mindfulness is one of the best tools for achieving mental clarity and emotional balance. Practicing mindfulness doesn't require hours of meditation. Simple changes, like starting or ending your day with a few minutes of deep breathing, can make a world of difference. Deep breathing calms your nervous system, reduces stress, and improves your ability to focus. Another powerful practice is gratitude journaling. Take a few moments each day to write down 3 things you're grateful for. This practice shifts your mindset toward positivity and helps you find joy in the little things. In 2025, we're more connected to technology than ever. While technology offers numerous benefits, it's crucial to set boundaries. Digital detoxes, or taking intentional breaks from screens, allow your brain to recharge. Whether it's turning off notifications during mealtimes or unplugging for a few hours before bed, these small changes can greatly improve your mental well-being. Don't underestimate the impact of sleep on mindfulness and overall health. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night, as it allows your brain to process and recover from daily stressors. Create a calming bedtime routine and avoid screens late at night to set yourself up for restful sleep. Mindfulness is also about cultivating emotional resilience. Life can be stressful, but how we respond to challenges matters. Practicing self-compassion, seeking support when needed, and embracing small moments of calm can go a long way in improving your mental health. Before we wrap up, let's touch on some exciting technological advancements shaping the way we approach health in 2025. One of the biggest trends is the integration of AI-powered health tools. These apps and platforms provide personalized insights into your nutrition, fitness, and mental health habits. They're like having a virtual health coach in your pocket, guiding you toward better decisions daily. Wearable devices, as we mentioned earlier, continue to lead the way in health tracking. From fitness bands monitoring your heart health to smart rings analyzing your sleep patterns, these tools give you precise data to help improve your lifestyle. Additionally, virtual health communities are thriving. These platforms connect like-minded individuals who share similar health goals, offering a space for motivation and accountability. Whether it's a virtual running club or a meal prep group, online support networks bring people together on their wellness journeys. Lastly, advancements in telemedicine mean you can access medical advice and consultations from the comfort of your home. This technology enhances access to healthcare professionals, ensuring you get timely, expert guidance when needed. 2025 holds incredible potential for harnessing technology as a force for good in our health journeys. It's an empowering era for taking charge of your well-being like never before. Before we end, let's revisit the key takeaway. Small, consistent actions lead to lasting results. Whether you're adopting a new nutrition habit, incorporating more movement into your routine, or embracing daily mindfulness, every step counts. Many people have already found success by making these changes, and you can too. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Take things one step at a time and celebrate your achievements along the way. We challenge you to pick just one healthy habit today. Whether it's drinking more water, taking a quick walk, or writing down something you're grateful for, commit to starting your journey to better health. So, there you have it. The secret to staying healthy in 2025 lies in mastering nutrition, movement, and mindfulness, while embracing the tools and trends of the modern world. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, and by investing in yourself, you'll unlock a happier, more vibrant you. No matter where you are on your journey, know that it's never too late to start prioritizing your well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments. What's one health goal you're setting for yourself this year? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier 2025.